Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to add applications to work with our assistant button menu in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to find this option and how to add more applications to our button. First of all, we need to go to Settings, Accessibility, Interaction and Dexterity, and here is our assistant button. We need to allow this option, and here is our assistant menu. As you can see, we have a few options right here. If we open this menu here, we have select apps to show contextual menus with this button. So for example, right now by default, no other application is using this button, but we can add more, and then when we open these applications, there will be additional options in our assistant button. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.